Nere malaka nyam we kan ideal content barwan lingwa sema kan waro 90 channel. An walle chang ka diech ka paikel wonkin dangro jandang ro de diech. Ban report me ban jeling ka lo de gwa. Ka report me ban rach ka kwi lo dana lo ka Dr. Machar an wala ka chang diech ka paikel wonkin dangro jandang ro de diech. Kon dial yo je we are familiar ba. Kam dan le road. Report shalat kan ronkin dangro jandang ro bakel kan penten chala dun first vice president kan ne ka dang baro kan dial baga nangwa lo ka changa di ka paikel ronkin dangro jandang ro bakel shanga mon wale walen shanga mon akan kono we ka jandung lo ka meni kon look ba lookan wale take a report mi bana lingwa se me gwa report chala jene a report kana me take an 18 konti nyer ka first vice president ne ko nyer ka Dr. Machar kan ne ko shunkel ka Dr. Machar take a report mi chala reken milar ken one ku me spela yo mo nokane ki mo gor kan no bi first vice president balaram mo balun akene shi akor shi ajadeter kene sha coordinator kene shi kuma spela yo chicken coordinator ka unit state ka panal ka jongle ki sani kotoria ko cha bas den ki querien chaje yen chaje hol la hostage ka juba wa cha kor chaje deter kene o cha first vice president Dr. Machar ko chaje yen kene spela ayo is no more na me amilat kene before that channel report or channel lingwas mene kuma spela yo chicken base dungrop kana rup kona chicken ke already right now base mo cha capture kana kuma spela mayo baje kwen ya ka jawdana chalat keje taba kwen ka talk english bokule ben ka kokien according to the report SSPDF and the opposition SPLA-IO resumed fighting in Unity State on Sunday, with the opposition saying it had captured a government base, a claim denied by state authorities. Fighting broke out on Sunday morning in Tor Abiet area, located west of Rupkona County and in the Kubri Jamus area, northwest of Rupkona County. Tor Abiet is approximately 50 kilometers west of the state capital, Bentiu, and located a few kilometers from the Unity State oil field. Speaking to Radio Tamazuch this afternoon, according to the information, Major Carbino Yai Pazal, the SPLA-IO spokesperson from Sector 2 in Unity State, say their forces had captured an SSPDF base in Tor Abiet after fighting. We have no problem with civilians, they said. We just notified them to keep themselves far away from military places. Tor Abiet is now under our control, under SPLA-IO control, he said. Major Pazal said the clash began after an attack on their base. He pointed out that the fighting started in the morning following an attack on an SPLA-IO base in Kubri Jamus. Regarding casualties, he said the identities of those killed had not yet been established, and the number of people who sustained gunshot wounds had not been confirmed from Sunday fighting. He also reported that several attacks on their base occurred last night in Kubri Jamus, adding that tension remained high between the SSPDF and SPLA-IO in Rupkona. In a statement issued on Sunday afternoon, the Unity government, the Unity State government, denied the SPLA-IO claim, asserting that the South Sudan People Defense Forces had repelled 2 attacks over 2 days. Nyakenya Jones Kerr, the State Minister of Information, say SSPDF unit responded promptly and professionally and successfully repulsing the attack on Tor Abiet and restoring full control of the area. The statement details a second incident on Saturday morning at the Ding Ding garrison, attributing it to the same hostile forces. It said the SSPDF again engaged in dismantling the attacking force and forcing them to flee to further areas. The information minister sought to reassure residents that, saying the ministry reassured the public that Kamas fully returned to Rupkona town and its environ. It said security organs were in firm control, normal life was continuing, and there was no threat to civilian, public institution, or humanitarian operation, urging people to remain calm, vigilant, and law-abiding. A local report indicates that significant civilian displacement. There was, a significant civilian displacement due to the violence were seen. A resident of Kubri, Jammu, described the situation. The fighting occurred yesterday morning and resumed this Sunday morning. We have been displaced from our home to the forest yesterday evening, and again this morning we left our home, he said. The resident also shared local assessment of control, saying Pakur is controlled by the SSPDF, but Ding Ding seemed to be under control of the SPLIO, according to information we received. Simon Gadet, a civil society activist in Unity State, confirmed the resumption of hostilities in Rupkona County. The SSPDF and SPLIO resumed fighting again this morning in Rupkona County after a clash occurred earlier last night, he said. He condemned the incident and called on state leader to intervene. We call on the leader of Unity State to control the fighting that occurred yesterday and today. Unity State is a major oil-producing region in northern South Sudan. The violence in Rupkona County follow a pattern of recent fighting over military bases. The SPLIO has recently made a gain in Jonglei State. They made gain in Jonglei State, where it controlled SSPDF bases in Greater Longware area, and announced another capture this morning of a small SSPDF base in Wapayam, Ayut County. South Sudan remains fragile despite the 2018 peace agreement, with the parties frequently accusing each other of ceasefire violation and obstruction of critical security arrangement. Report me Lincoln me man chala te kume maraike kirme yadit. Kume maraike kirme yadit. As she can deny Kenny telebase dian mishakef, but the reality on the ground la kan go the alto chakake kume SPLIO. Shikala no darshal kemeru kona county SSPDF chaka jo gwanda kendi ala tigatin jeri pode shala deken. Mgi economy ala korwe kawe, shagna mako ne kontila nuore ku kan deny the tinteka Unity State cause and Unity State in Nuarten tenuare keneteno and go down to about to account nuare karodian ya mling yana menu la government la kan do lar o yo mi charge ku lo ling kir ne ko kien ten kon the quidian bloodian bokulo ka jeno dong they are in good sight, but the reality la kuma spela o che be the teacher ke kef janta dan to open. So right now mugu konwe kotem right now to culture ko tolrar la first by president and wale gwalo dan bugatin lat can review elementally cross examination going me cha going first by president can ji kwara kan ba nyoko mugui kamo bikan ke gwich ba question ba ko to ko gwate dan kan de kontala witness ne going can first by president and wone ne ejene take it ejene cha dol ken wer wai ami ka cha je te bono video ne kan he ko ne kan jen teleje all the detail jen tel me cha record janga kel ken chak chang dia le ko ne chala de ken. So right now in South Sudan kel you leave kan kirmi yadi no kirmi yadi there truth there jakulat ko jen en yene ka first vice president ko weekend ne kuma SPLIO chire meling yana gwasme yo kan ji SPLIO no yene shwa kor shwa ja kap chwa na kap kor ka kene kora water gwadnen content base ne SPLIO ticketing alo ala chicken dakhma char chicken ja ka hostage ko mete yena chukne ko kiena kon tela ji kwar chicken kori kana de tere chang na ka ke malana de jo ken o chan kai ke ji more chi ro de kwat ki che de watch ka jana be jan ta dan let kene kene ne nag ye ne ku ye displays so chwa tuk dun chwa jalep so mi chene me der kula gwade ngai kone jin mi jeg do be jiram da jen jila respond you know but ka ko mi kir mi yadi bi ken wan ran che de right mi che ben ka first by president chi dan che korche editor special ne control kan edial en wo yen kwa tiai bi ka party man dan tatin bi ala brodun ka bi ka party while use naten kontela nwari kunwari ken ku kan wari ken ku kan lenek so jen ta dan le rode je chimnen yen men tem ku unity state gwa the mo million atin o ka kor e kir to chap dial ti chanwari o mo ka kwa en wo ka power run wo ka development dun while ne de content chuch kan wari ku majority ku kan le chuch ku ne de kon queen ken minority ke ne de queen kan kula riango ku kan ku kan tagrar and we tell me de jegane ideal so that is what is happening so jene men tin jene and we sharing ma charge yen kalwa kaje ring ma char barar clean baje release unconditional shemen ana shalim lalar nishang badil barar do dan barar kaje wodi jen medan kore chetuok a kor kam anwer y army Canadian SSPDF baraina man kai kaje be SPLI obi kan kor be kan tera gwadan chaga matin ka wa mun naka ka ke buga ke ka jiyo ken wo yen shwa respond shwa temel yen so na me jen dan pete dial bike no right now men gwana jen jen and kuma SPLI wo gwana ken dial Eastern Equatoria Western Equatoria wene ka Jonglei Unity State wene ka jana panal keliu chaden realika and we can call we can push binawo ka juba so jen ta dan le road en teme so makule la question jene kan dial kon la jen o shin wore charen de gang ke chicken kori kan de ter ka ci juwar ko ken chicken kori kan de ter jen me gui kan la kan alar no yen wore be ter longon kore me wore no gelia alaran men ga ji ngum de lar en kan yen ka yen ne te bullet proofed yen ke bullet base alar kan o chaide longa do ko malar jen yen ba yen ka yen biya kula tedi me ken e kon ngi jen wone ti gang kan rodien ka choje danan ci akan ne ke aken ni chodien ken e kon ngi. What do you think? A jina atagwa gwa rama me at gwaje, especially ganwere, run diality, run well, a te wich. Ka ganwere shujone. Tell ka dul gorka magwa, tell ka chara go, tell dul one magwa, kwala tagra, chanwere chaka block, kada dial all the the access, ka all the resources. Chicken ka jek. Na dial content chamka so Sudan, ka jang, kana nwer wew, ken wer content jegayo. One ideal majority ku kan le chuch the quiff first by President Dr. Machar waring Machara cha support while ring Machar fine jen ko jen which election alat ke national election baraina mekan nga jen shi ring Machar kan yen then she leben ka na the system no ba election ba ji yoten election cha jalat ka loroba election la mishale campaign la jalat ke bran be jalwi char bitin kon bilet kana bikalat ba turnu ba ka jal bine diala kontin nagaji biga to we char lat kan goidu ka ku kan dial ku kan influence ko jen ba ju gor ne me cha gore ki ko ki ngai jen o jen che fail so right now mu gor ga jen o baring Machar ba ki mal bene so da ring Machar alo nge jen we get no ring Machar chi ram mun na ka so Sudanese let them release riek and then I will campaign and then our pen ka queen kware so again chal ka democracy na mo but when Bali karan a kan ro de chung ka jin ram moy ram je ku jela gorno ku jela silent ka la ro jin peacemaker bijin ku la peacemaker de kirim yadi che la de jojen wonene nuare naga ke 1991 yana ne ke 2013 so what else 1991 nyen kir ke Dr. Machar kan John Grande Mabir je jang wele lo dun nuare kan ngane kan nuare so jantara men me chamal cha jolat ke 2002 men bina 2005 kwala jik South Sudan so right now me ko kin me dit ko na target ke jen kuje mo anguch mi ci dot anyo ko tam ci la nuare chu jone mene pon jana chushken ji ko tira chushken dumule la jen 2013 dan me joy ke nuare rar ka ba target ba kan nak no de ngaje no nuare ter ken obi ke kumbi ken ke right now chala ken community ndi al shujo ci community kel chele la nuar karware te jangten taken equatorial ticketing te jor gol ko ken ticketing so mu nyu do en kira te ga juba mo gwe je no charge de chup ka cha dore cha de chup ka warap so ngode right now think cook a fall apart la larke de ngaro di na tema betel go dar ka je ka gwasen be special guy 2026 me dong ba la gen end of the suffering of South Sudanese mu akir wa je relief ke wa je woch abo nyur ni dore ke bo nyur gwa dan we nyutna ban roda wala lele nungu jem South Sudan bete kamal ban mete ka Samuel men especially the conte kel ke ngai kana la tok timi jiden tiel ano kir mi yadi duwe yen what will happen to them baran bete ai che ko jendana chigani mi shi ngaje no roda ye alo la ya roda then baran bete ai ba ko to era mago but we should be thinking about them ko jin awa in time of suffering ramma mo mele the bet latitude and lot la yana gorno during the time ndana chingwani you get better shab goro bi amat ke ko agenta da lat ketem kwana la use ko do mi je e wa yene choje so gwa da na shikene chochigan nen bu ti ai bu ben kunyok so na model gwa no de japal ajiedu adatina men gwa da na bu goyu go ben keja turo la watch e bi lo ben ke chat ke jag no shika suffered enough and this is a time me de ke ku watch ka chot katame me shi nwar karodian jangba yi ko tere ko na chu kan all the civil servant to rewi ka South Sudan tan ni ndwale ken kamech ndwale ken ke kir kiyo tem jekane anyok tana ndwale ken ko gi kano bi nwar bi ka revenge bi kana lat ban nwar shi ka ker chikan chiga janga chikan chene ko ken chikan vengeance chikan alet but me shi push why not de karodian dilgang chirme gang karodian so na me da we ko ndiala no me le rode an walle shanka dika pai ke ron ken daro ya nang bakel reng machar baje nang gwalok no ka ba luko mo baje luk ka ban solution na to ban jangat wala no mishal cross examination ka nen kanye te konte chudi la no reng machar te ke tet ka tele ke evident george myo den won kangaro ko da mo cha tok cha je letno ka chikan la no wal bangwang abejek anyok mo dien one last thing Africa Union daga chubre wajin walle ka jen chang de walle ka juba ka jen Monday ka joran chalat ka kwi ko kon lat ko din ko yigan ngaje no ne dor goro ba chup ka juba so they want to go there and then have dialogue with the leaders ning kir ma yadi ki point kir ba jo no please be korbe ben ikan goro te ka korm de chup ka capital so for ka kuje money gor ko no be kana control nyanta dan le roda so bari porden bala jega yo gwaz danan shari po chanunga kwi first by president Dr. Machar but bante dal kon lat ko din malakan kor bu kon ka link gwatan be biata kamal bye bye